Kid Tache and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded and I truly apologize. So much has changed in my life, so much has been going on, but we'll get to that later in another video. I just want to let you know that I'm still here and I'm back. Today's video is an unboxing of my new Alma BB, so let's just get right to it. Alright, here is the bag. And here is the box. Let's just take that ribbon off. So after you take the ribbon off, the box is like this. Open it, and inside you see the dust bag. And we're about to get to my baby. Okay. You guys know I'm always so excited. Well, if you are subscribed to my channel and you keep up with my videos, you know anytime I'm doing a Louis Vuitton video, I'm always super excited. I just love Louis, as you can see. Alright, so let's see. Let's pull her. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. She is so beautiful. Look at her. Oh, she smells so fresh and so clean. She's just so beautiful. I love her. This is the Alma BB and Monogram. It's a popular bag. Very popular bag. But, you know, I've just been wanting her. She's so gorgeous. I'm so excited to wear her. I'm going to be wearing her this weekend, actually, in Vegas. But yes, here we go. Alright, and I'm not doing a review of the bag because I didn't get to use her yet for me to review her. So this is just more of an unboxing and I'll show you a little bit more detail. So at the bottom, as you can see, this is what it looks like. And then it has the little gold hardware to protect the base of the bag. And it has the little hardware lock on it. And I'm assuming the keys are in here, but it has a little luggage tag. If you get this bag, you have the option of getting this personalized with your initials. Most people get it here, and some people even get it here. But if I was to get it, I would get it here. And then this is how you open the bag. It has two zippers and it opens this way. Inside is the strap. It comes with a strap. So this bag is versatile. You can wear it as a top handle bag, or as a crossbody with the strap, or over the shoulder bag with the strap. And the straps for this bag, you just click one in the front like that, and then you just click another one in the back. Oh wait, this is the back. This is the front where the luggage tag is. I'm sorry guys. So one in the back and one in the front on the opposite side of which you did for the back. And then it becomes a crossbody or a shoulder bag. I'm so clumsy today. What's wrong with me? See, this is why I took a break. Just kidding. But anyway, on the inside it has a little mini dust bag, and I'm assuming... Okay, now I'm confused. Where are the keys? Oh, actually, you guys, you know what? I'm sorry. The keys are not in this little dust bag. I just moved this around and I can hear them jiggling in here. Okay, so the keys are hidden in the little luggage tag. I'm sorry. I did not know that. Now I see that. They're like, if you peek it open, you can see like the keys in here. Hear them jingling. But yes, so the keys are in there. But you can take them off, and I'm assuming you can store them in the little dust bag. But yes, it's so beautiful. Look at her. I love this bag. So beautiful. Let me give you a closer look of the inside. A little side pocket, and that's it. So there is the bag. Very beautiful, very gorgeous. Love, love, love it. Okay, so Let's see what fits inside the bag. Open it up. Okay, so I'm going to pack my Louis Vuitton Emily wallet inside. And I'm going to pack my Louis Vuitton key pouch inside. I'm going to pack my iPhone inside. I'm going to pack, let's see, my glasses inside just to see what fits. I'm going to pack 2 Fenty Beauty glosses inside. Wow, I still have room. Okay, now I'm going to let you see what the inside looks like. You can still fit some more stuff in here. As you can see, you can still fit some things in there. But I don't want to overstuff the bag, so I'm sure that you can still fit stuff in here. I just don't want to overstuff it, but this is what it looks like with those items. And it's not heavy. No, it's very easy to carry. So there you are, my new Alma BB in Monogram. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading more content. I promise I won't leave you guys like that again. Okay, thank you. See you next time.